Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Getting started in Teams is a three-step process. First, you'll create the team. After the team is created, the second step is to add people to the team. Once people are added to the team, the final step is to create the channels in which people will meet. To create a new team, click the Teams button in the app bar. At the bottom of the Teams pane, click the Join or Create a Team button. Then click the Create Team button that appears to the right. Click the From Scratch button. Then select which type of team you wish to create. A private team is only accessible by those to whom you grant permission to join the team. If you select Public, anyone in your organization can join the team if they choose. If available to you and your team's tenant, selecting an org-wide team will automatically add anyone in your organization to the team. Next, enter a name for the team into the Team Name field and enter a description if desired. Then click the Create button. On the next screen, to add organization members, type a name and then select it from the resulting list. Alternatively, to invite someone outside your organization, if guest access is enabled by your Office 365 admin, type their email address and then select the Add Email as a Guest choice from the drop-down. To remove a member, click the Remove or X button to the right of their name. When done adding members, click the Add button. Then click the Close button. The new team is created along with its default general channel. To create a team from an existing Office 365 group or team, click the Teams button in the app bar. At the bottom of the Teams pane, click the Join or Create a Team button. Click the Create Team button that then appears to the right. Click the From a Group or Team button. In the Create a New Team from Something You Already Own window, select the Team or Microsoft 365 Group button, and then select the team or group. If creating a team from a copy of a previous team, you can enter a team name, a description if desired, and select a privacy option from the drop-down. Then select what you'd like to include from the original team and click the Create button. If creating a team from a Microsoft 365 group, simply click the Create button after selecting the group. If creating a team from an existing team and you don't want to add members at this point, note that you can click the Skip button. To add someone to an existing team, click the More Options ellipsis to the right of the team name, and then choose the Add Member command from the drop-down menu. Type the member's name or email, and select it from the list. To remove someone if needed, click the Remove button to the right of their name or email address. After adding the members, click the Add button. When finished, click the Close button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.